In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portfolio site on WordPress, tailored especially for beginners. This is a fantastic way to showcase your work and skills, and I'll guide you through each step to make the process as smooth as possible. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is where you can manage all aspects of your site. Once you're there, look on the left-hand side and click on the Appearance tab. This is where you have the power to customize the visual aspects of your website. Next, we're going to access the starter templates, which provide a variety of ready-made designs. Click on Starter Templates under Appearance. This will present you with a collection of pre-designed themes that make setting up a professional-looking site incredibly simple. Once the Templates page loads, you'll see an option called Build with Templates. Click on that. This feature allows you to choose from a variety of themes, making it easy to find one that suits your style and the tone you want your portfolio to convey. Afterwards, you'll need to select which page builder you'd like to use for customization. In this tutorial, we're going to work with Elementor. Click on Elementor, a highly intuitive drag-and-drop page builder that's perfect for beginners. Now, we're narrowing down our options to find a design that fits the essence of a portfolio. Click on Personal Sites, which will display themes tailored specifically for individuals looking to spotlight their personal achievements or projects. Within these options, locate and select Portfolio and CV. This selection will display the best layouts for a portfolio site. Take your time to browse through and find a theme that reflects your personal aesthetics and professional needs. Once you've picked your theme, feel free to customize it by clicking on the site logo. Here, you can add your personal or business logo, providing that unique touch that makes your site distinctly yours. Following this personalization, look at the Font Pair option. Click here to adjust the typography of your site. A well-chosen font can greatly enhance your website's visual appeal, helping to maintain consistency and professionalism in your presentation. Then comes one of my favorite parts, color. Click on Color Palette to select colors you find exciting and representative of your brand. A cohesive color scheme can make your site not only memorable, but also inviting for visitors. After setting up these initial elements, click on Continue to proceed. You'll be prompted to select a page builder, where, again, we'll opt for Elementor for seamless editing capabilities. To solidify all your choices, click Submit and Build My Site. This step finalizes your selections and starts building the foundation of your portfolio. Finally, you'll want to click on Edit with Elementor. This brings up the editing interface where you can fully customize each page. You can drag and drop various widgets, adjust layouts, and fine-tune details until you're satisfied with the overall outcome of your site. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to create a WordPress portfolio site that's functional and eye-catching. Now you're ready to start impressing clients, employers, or anyone who visits your site. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.